Oh yes, it's ladies' night and the feeling's right. Oh yes, it's ladies' night. Oh what a night. What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. This is our channel, Mr. Sillage. Thank you all so much for tuning in. For all the returning subscribed Sillage soldiers, as always, welcome back. And as you all know, you guys can hit me back up with a salute by hitting the thumbs up icon down below. It really shows your support, and you know that I greatly appreciate it. And if you're a new viewer by chance, maybe stick around, see what the channel has to offer. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit the like button as well. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell and subscriptions so you get the latest updates on reviews, top list, and fragrance giveaways, which I'll be doing at the end of this video. Today, I'm going to be bringing an offering to you. It's going to be a blind first impression. The way I do my blind first impressions go like this. I usually just get something and I try not to look up the notes. I try not to look up any of the information. I try to shoot the video as quick as possible so I can get it out to you guys. And the one that I'm offering from you today is really a house that I have a lot of their men's fragrances, and all of them are signature scent worthy. So I'm looking forward to trying the fragrance from the female side. I'm gonna shoot my first impression of it, let you know what I smell within the fragrance, let you know how it smells off the top. Then I'm gonna come back within a couple hours, let you know how it's developing. Then I'm gonna come back one more time and let you know at the end what I think of it and how it developed on my skin. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to the English Laundry's men's fragrances, I know they usually don't spare any expense to their presentation, and I'm gonna see what this one has to offer. It looks like it opens like this. And this is a pretty nice one too, like a little pedestal. It's nice heavy box. It was sort of tilted in there. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is a 3.4 ounce Eau de Parfum concentration. The bottle's actually nice and heavy, and I don't know if this is coming through on the camera. There's a nice texture to the side of the bottle as well. The top is also very pretty. It actually sort of reminds me of the January Scent Project's top, which I love the January Scent Project's line as well. So let's see what this fragrance has in store. Usually the sprays on the men's fragrances are pretty well. I'm gonna spray this on my skin. Get a couple good blasts in there. Oh. Wow. Wow, this is really nice. It's got this sort of citrus, hold on, it's got this sort of citrus top, and there's something sort of creamy in there as well, creamy or vanillic, I might say. And there's something else in there that's making it really sweet. Can't tell what it is, but this is actually really nice. I'm gonna let you know right now. I got this for $19. This is, you cannot believe English Laundry makes some really good quality stuff that can be had for really cheap. They're a very underrated house, and this one is, when it comes to smelling this, I think this is sexy. I think I would love to smell this on a woman. I'm not trying to hype anything up, but this is really nice. I can't speak for performance. It's got this citrus sort of, I'm not sure what kind of citrus that is. Vanilla kind of feel to it. There's also There's some floral components. I'm not sure what kind of florals those are, but you can definitely tell the floral components almost give it this powdery sort of vibe too. Not a heavy powder vibe, but a powdery sort of feel. It's your basic designer kind of feel, but really nicely done. I would love to smell this on a woman. It doesn't work for my skin. As you know, I have no problem wearing feminine fragrances at all. If they smell good on me, I'm gonna wear it, period. This one doesn't work for me, but I would love to smell this on a woman. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours, and there's not too much development going on here. It's drying down. It's got a little bit softer, but still mostly what I'm getting at this 4 hour point is this citrus. I'm pretty sure it's grapefruit. A little bit of that floral powdery note and a vanilla kind of vibe. Still, ultimately, it's a great designer release. I think this is rather sexy. I personally think that this is sexy. I would love to smell this on a female. This is really, really nice. It's 4 hours and it's not too heavy of a projector, but I keep on catching whiffs of it as I move around throughout this time. I'm gonna come back one more time and let you know what I think about it at the end. Okay, so it's been around the 8 hour mark right now. The fragrance has died down a lot. It's still there. I still catch very, very slight hints of it. But ultimately, after about the 5 hour mark, the citrus notes died down. And what I mostly got was this powdery floral kind of scent. Now, the thing is, with English laundry scents, you're not going to get too much crazy development or too much crazy. They're nice signature scents made for the masses, and there's nothing wrong with that. I personally believe that this is a sexy scent, and I would like to smell it on somebody. If someone was wearing this in passing, I would definitely do a double take. This is really nice, really nice, and for the price that it can be had for, it cannot be beat. I got it for $19 at the Century 21 department store. I think you probably looked them up online, but for $19, 3.4 ounce bottle, awesome presentation. I would love to smell this on a woman. I would buy this for a woman. And coincidentally, I wound up buying it for a woman evidently, because let's talk about the giveaway. I am going to give this bottle away to one of my viewers. I would preferably like to go to a female specifically, but if it would go to a guy, I have no problem with that whatsoever as well. I really enjoy this scent. This is sexy. This is nice. It's had good performance, good longevity, and I definitely approve of this scent. It's really, really a nice offering. For $19, you can't beat it. The rules for the giveaway are going to be as follows. 1, you obviously have to be a subscriber. Be a subscriber to my channel and make sure that your subscriptions are set to be seen. 2, I want you to leave a comment down below on a fragrance that you would like to smell on your partner. What is the favorite scent that you like to smell on your partner? What's the sexy scent that you like to smell on your partner? Leave that comment down below. I think everybody's going to be intrigued to see everybody else's comments and interact with one each other as well. That's going to be really, really cool to see. Rule number 3, come back to this video in 2 weeks and I am going to pin my comment on top with the name of the winner at the top of the video. The name of the winner is going to have 3 days to contact me and let me know their shipping information. I think this is a really, really nice scent. I'm not a hype person at all, but this is rather, it's performed really nice and it is really good to me. You guys, thank you so much for watching. You know it always means a lot to me. Good luck to everybody. And as always, and most importantly, go frag yourselves. English laundries, awkward, that.